Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. We are Tsukuba Conference. We just started this meeting and this is going to be the third meeting. There's Davos in economy field. There's Shangri-La in Munich in security field. We want to make Tsukuba the center of scientific meetings. It's up to you. Please join us and try to make it that way. The unicorn doesn't exist, but Tsukuba exists. And it's an tackling ambitious, broad, uncharted, keen, universal, sustainable tackling. It's Tsukuba. We'll be looking forward to seeing you in Tsukuba. Thank you very much. We'll see you.